Okay, welcome to the Crow Discovery Project. I've got an object passing the sun that I shot just this morning, and I will be announcing the 10th lunar wave has been filmed in Germany. I have permission to run that footage. I'll cover that in a second. I've been writing at the Examiner, and I write at the Examiner to offset costs of filming and to allow me to be near my camera equipment, because to catch items as I do, you kind of need to be at a moment's notice and pick up. So the whole idea behind writing for the Examiner is to make enough money to film, and this is a rainbow from the almost rainstorm that we had that's been preventing us from filming. At any rate, at the Examiner, I tried to get lunar wave information published, and it got shot down by the editors. The last article up finally got approved, and it does cover the lunar wave, and I try to cover things that are not normally covered in the media, like dissatisfaction with NASA and landing on the moon and things like this, and it's not easy to get this stuff past the editors, but I'm starting to figure out how to do it. So anyhow, please click on the description of this video and subscribe to me and follow me, the Examiner. The whole game there, like everywhere else these days, it's about page views, so there's that. Anyhow, I thought this was kind of cool. Crows came into view as I was shooting this rainbow. So, the 6th person has filmed the 10th lunar wave in Berlin, Germany. That is the second wave filmed in Germany. Every other wave capture has been shot in the United States. He contacted me, and I contacted him back. He has given me permission to edit the wave, so very soon I will be presenting his footage and introducing him to folks if anyone wants to go talk with him or follow him. I vetted the footage. It's very interesting footage. It's a unique view of the wave like we haven't seen before. It's a close-up shot of the upper limb of the moon, and as usual, the wave comes in two pairs. But this gentleman panned the camera as I did in the 2012 footage, which helps to solidify the fact that this is a filmed event. At any rate, let's take a look at the sun object. Okay, so I set up to film the sun this morning with just a standard filter. It's going to come in at the lower left here, full speed. It's very quick. And there it goes. So let me load it up and break it down so that we can get a good look at this. I went into Stellarium, lower left, here it comes. I went into Stellarium to see if I could find a listed satellite that matched this object, and no luck, so it is an unknown object at this point. I'm coming to the conclusion that filming the sun and catching objects of this sort is a pretty easy thing to do. Almost every time I set up, I catch something like this. Interesting about this little footage is if you go back and look at it, you will notice that he actually dips into the line a little bit at the very end of that run. Other than that, it's a very straight trajectory, which probably means he's in Earth orbit. And there's an inverted color channel look, and we'll take one more view of this. Probably a satellite, but I like to record them just to get them on record, because maybe someday we'll find out there's something else. A chemtrail update. There's a lot of going on the web about the discovery of what is being sprayed in the air. There's a clip out that says this is refined or in some way changed coal dust from, I guess, electrical use of coal to produce electricity. I don't know if that's true, but it's cool that people are really digging into this to discover what's going on. Today, when I filmed the sun, was the first day that we have had blue skies. We have had so much chemtrailing, and a lot of it's been like this, just billowing this dusty stuff that makes the sky shiny and then eventually makes the whole sky milky white. And these have been in conjunction with really high-level planes spraying the non-persistent trails that mix with this stuff, or at least that's what I think they're doing. So there's my chemtrail update. Lastly, I'm always ready to go out and film, and writing for the Examiner allows me to do this. And unfortunately, you got to go through a lot of this, objects that don't really matter, but nonetheless, you have to go through a lot of getting nothing and a lot of getting kids' balloons and other junk in the air in order to get the good stuff. So there it is. Again, please go down to the description of the video, click on the Examiner link, and subscribe to the author and follow me there. Every page hit I get makes it easier for me to continue to film and cover what's going on in both the day and nighttime skies. So there it is. Cheers.